Not every AI project carries the same level of risk. That's why we use tailoring levels, to apply just the right amount of governance and change management, no more and no less. The higher the stakes, the stronger the governance. Lightweight level. For low-risk, internal pilots, like an HRFAQ bot, focus is on speed and simplicity. Governance is team-led, documentation is minimal, and success is measured by quick wins. Balanced level. For medium risk, customer-facing but non-regulated use cases, like a customer support assistant, focus is on guardrails and trust. Governance is structured with monthly check-ins, documentation includes blueprints and evaluation suites, and adoption is carefully monitored. Formal level. For high-risk, regulated, or mission-critical deployments, like financial or medical advisors, focus is on compliance and safety. Governance is strict with stage gates and board approvals, documentation is auditable, and deployment includes rollback plans, monitoring, and kill switches. OCM plan for HRFAQ bot, internal pilot, lightweight level. This is a story of small change with quick impact. The HR team noticed that employees were asking the same questions over and over. How many vacation days do I have left? Where's the expense policy? Instead of spending hours answering repetitive queries, we introduced an AI agent to help. The vision was simple: free up HR staff to focus on people, not policies. The change was light touch. Employees received a short demo video, and within minutes, they could ask the bot their questions in Slack. The agent wasn't perfect, sometimes it misunderstood, sometimes it needed escalation, but employees quickly saw it as a helpful assistant, not a replacement. Every interaction was logged, and feedback was collected in a shared channel. Governance was lean. The HR team owned the prompts, version controlled them in a wiki, and checked accuracy once a week. Costs were monitored monthly to avoid surprises. The system had a manual kill switch just in case, though it was rarely needed. Within a month, HR reported a 40% drop in repetitive questions. Employees celebrated the convenience, HR reclaimed their time, and the organization saw how AI could make work smoother with very little overhead. The story here: lightweight governance enabled rapid value, a safe, quick win that proved AI could help without disrupting. OCM plan for customer support bot, customer-facing, balanced level. The e-commerce team faced a problem. Call centers were overloaded with shipping and returns questions. Customers wanted instant answers, and agents were overwhelmed. The organization decided to deploy an AI-powered support assistant, but this time, the change had higher stakes. The vision was ambitious: reduce call volume by 25% while maintaining customer trust. Because this bot would interact directly with customers, the OCM approach was structured. Before launch, customer service teams were trained on how the bot worked and when escalations would occur. Monthly town halls kept staff informed. Customers were reassured. The AI agent would answer simple questions quickly, and a human was always one click away. Governance was stronger. A monthly governance check-in with product, support, and legal teams. An orchestration blueprint documented exactly how refund and return flows worked. A model card tracked vendor details and evaluation results. A monitoring dashboard tracked accuracy, cost, and latency in real time. The rollout was phased: 10% of customers first, then 50%, then 100%. Feedback from each phase shaped improvements. The evaluation suite, with 50+ test queries, ensured the bot consistently hit an 80% success rate before scaling further. The result? Customers got faster answers, call center stress dropped, and executives saw measurable ROI. but without sacrificing safety or brand trust. The story here: balanced governance built confidence, enough rigor to manage risks, enough agility to deliver value quickly. OCM plan for financial advisor bot, regulated, high-risk, formal level. In the financial services division, leadership wanted to deploy an AI agent to help customers with account questions and basic financial guidance. The opportunity was enormous: improved customer service, lower costs, better experiences. But the risks were equally high. Errors could mean compliance violations, financial harm, or reputational damage. The vision was carefully framed: this AI agent would assist customers, never make binding decisions. Trust, compliance, and safety were the cornerstones. The OCM plan was rigorous. A full ROI model was created to justify investment. A responsible AI impact assessment was conducted to assess risks. Compliance and risk officers were deeply involved from day one. Training was mandatory. Customer service staff learned how to handle escalations, compliance officers were briefed on monitoring dashboards, and executives reviewed quarterly governance reports. Governance was strict. A governance board approved every stage gate. Vendor selection went through a formal AIPM process. The evaluation suite contained 100+ test cases, including fairness and bias checks. The go, no-go gates required is greater than or equal to 90% success and is less than or equal to 2% hallucination before launch. Deployment was controlled. A rollback plan and automated kill switch were in place. A multi-vendor fallback strategy reduced dependency risk. Logs were auditable, privacy compliance was documented, and drift monitoring ran continuously. Customers were told transparently: this assistant is designed to answer general questions, but a licensed advisor is always available for financial advice. Trust was the message, and safety was the promise. The result: a highly controlled, compliant AI system that improved service while satisfying regulators and protecting customers. The story here: formal governance ensured safety and trust, the only way to responsibly launch AI in a high-risk domain. Takeaway: OCM plan for lightweight level is a fast, simple, empowering story. OCM plan for balanced level is a structured, confidence-building story. OCM plan for formal level is a rigorous, trust-first story.